What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at Amazon. We're going to get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the 24th of June. I kind of want to give you guys some levels to watch for tomorrow on Amazon. I like Amazon. I took a trade on Amazon towards the end of the day on a nice little run up that we had. But one thing that I do kind of want to point out too, we got one, two, three, four multiple touch points down here, and we've got a serious point of control here for the bulls down at around 101 to $103. Okay, so you can see if we were to look at this zone here, this is a very strong demand zone that we're looking at here. Every time we've gotten down into this range, we do get the bulls to kind of put on their pants, step up, buy the stock, drive the price higher. So obviously we know we're coming on a big decline here, a little bit of a bounce, a little bit of a more bounce here, and then we come back down, test this area again. Could we be making our way to kind of break through this level and create a little bit of a W pattern here? Again, I'm not too big on patterns, right? Because, you know, head and shoulders patterns, cup and handle, W's, double tops, all that kind of stuff, because it's kind of like a lagging indicator. I'm more so of a price action guy. I kind of look at what supply and demand is telling me. Where do buyers feel comfortable stepping in? Where are the sellers kind of hanging out? And then I kind of try to trade in between the lines. So like if we can kind of think about it going back to like kindergarten, right? Remember your teacher gave you a coloring book. They say stay inside the lines, right? So I want to be inside, painting my beautiful picture inside the lines. And what that picture is kind of telling me right now is that if Amazon, even though it is 11 points higher, if Amazon can kind of hold that $101, $102 range and break through the next level of supply, which is going to be the 20-day moving average on the daily time frame, you can see we stopped right here at the 20-day moving average. So that price is going to be somewhere around 113.65, okay? So if Amazon can get over 113.65 tomorrow, I will be interested in going long once again. Now, I'm looking to sell into the next supply zone. Question, where's the next supply zone? Well, if we kind of go back here to this gap down that we had on earnings, 429, as well as this high wick here on 6, right? On 6.6, we can see here we're having this channel line kind of sloping down here. So if I do get long over the 20-day moving average here, I want to get long. I'm going to treat this as a day trade. As long as we hold the 20-day moving average on the daily time frame, I'm going to look to get in and fill this prior gap here on the 9th into the 10th. That price would take us to around 116. 116 area also acted as a level of resistance here. I will try to take profits over 113 into 116. That'll be my first area where I'm going to take profits. Okay, I'm kind of letting that be known now. If I carry multiple contracts, more than likely tomorrow contracts are going to be cheaper because it's 0 days till expiration. I'll probably go 5-10 contracts on this very heavy, right? For me, that's heavy, right? For you, 100 contracts might be heavy. For me, 10 contracts, that's my sweet spot. I'm comfortable there. I like 10 contracts. That's it. It's easy for me to scale. So around 116, if we get there, I'll be taking in at least 50 to 60% of my contracts off of the table, letting the rest ride, moving my stop loss up into profit. And as long as we can continue to hold some of the lower time frame trend lines, then I'm going to continue to ride that trade. So what I would ultimately be looking for, if this is going to turn in from a day trade to a swing trade, as long as we stay over that 20-day moving average, I'll continue to hold my trade to the long side, and my next price target will be somewhere in here in the 120s. Okay, I'm not going to top tick this at 128, but somewhere in the 120s is what I would potentially like to get it from. Now, if we do kind of roll over, it's going to be very choppy in this zone. You're going to come down, you're going to come up, you're going to come down, you're going to come up. You know, there might be some scalps there. Let's leave that to the more, the more of the scalpers, right? Like the serious hardcore scalpers that are getting in and out for 20, 30, 40 cents at a time. For me as an options player, I want dollars. I need this stock to move $1, $2, $3 quickly so I can make some money. For me, there's not a big macro short trade on Amazon until we lose the 101. Hope this video helps. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all next time.